God, I really hate 2025. Because I really don't want 2025 to start. I wish I could destroy the 2025 ball drop, so that it would stay in 2024. Wait a minute, destroy the 2025 ball drop. That gives me an idea. I will head downtown and destroy the 2025 ball drop, so the year can stay in 2024. Ha 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 ha. But first, I need to wait for night to come, and then I will sneak out at 11:50 p.m. to head to downtown and destroy the 2025 ball drop.
11:50 p.m.
Okay, it's really 11:50 p.m. Time to head to downtown to destroy the 2025 ball drop before it becomes midnight. Yes, I made it to the downtown. It's time to go to the top of the building, and to jump onto one of the buildings right behind me, and destroy the 2025 ball drop before it becomes midnight. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh no you don't.
Oh no you don't.
Uh-oh, it's Blue Lock Lady and Sliver Lock Lady.
That's right. And Dark Meowser, I can't believe you tries to destroying the 2025 ball drop. You know that destroying the 2025 ball drop and you can get arrested.
Your Blue Lock Lady is right. Dark Meowser, that's it. Depart out of this downtown and go home. Right now while we are calling your parents about this.
No 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 no. Dark Meowser, are you serious? Right now, we can't believe you tries to destroy the 2025 ball drop. You know that destroying the 2025 ball drop and you can get arrested.
I strongly agree with your father. That's it. You're grounded until January 5th.
March upstairs to your room, right now.
And think about what you have done.
Yes, Mom, Dad, Meowser Jr., and Baby Cat Princess, if you guys say so.